I want to show you how you can install and use dual Facebook account in any Samsung Galaxy Mobile. So first, go to the settings. Go to settings and tap on it. Scroll all the way down. Tap on advanced features. Now scroll all the way down. You would see dual messenger. Tap on it. So over here you would see the Facebook app. If you don't find it, then it means you don't have Facebook installed in your mobile phone. You should go to Play Store and install Facebook. Then you follow the process. All right, so you tap on the Facebook app. Then here you would see install a second copy of Facebook. Click on or tap on the install. You would see here that a second copy of Facebook has been installed. You'll see that sign over there. All right, so let me show you how it would look in the mobile phone. All right, so if you installed the second copy of Facebook, this is what the icon would look like. All right, now let's assume you want to uninstall the second Facebook app you earlier installed. Now let me show you how you can uninstall it from your phone. Okay, all right, still the same process. Go to settings and tap on settings. All right, now scroll all the way. You will see advanced features. Tap on the advanced features. Now scroll all the way down. You would see dual messengers. Tap on it, and you would see at this point the Facebook that we installed earlier on. Okay, you can see that there. All you need to do is now tap on it. So I'll tap on that. Now this comes out, disable second copy of Facebook. Then tap on the disable. Now you need to know that any data that is related to the second copy of Facebook will be deleted when you uninstall. So I'm going to disable. So it says the second Facebook app is being disabled, so you can see that. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and remember to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in the next video.